again? Oh, man, never malfunction. Oh no, they're going back up and down, dude. That's for the first. There's like.
That wasn't a malfunction. You hear it?
That ain't even messing around. No. Here we come. Yeah! Choo-choo. Choo-choo. Where's the engine? Where's my little engine? Where it is? Got a choo-choo train. Got a choo-choo train next to an actual train. How cool is that? Choo-choo. Got a train next to that. Got an actual train next to a choo-choo train. It's nice. Stop. Stop blurring. How nice is that? Oh, choo-choo. You've got to be kidding me. Choo-choo. Well, it's definitely hauling something, I can say that. It picked the right time to literally blur up, bro. You got train. Some tank cars, hopper cars, some construction cars, more. Oh, and there's the end. And there goes the gate.